Hey there, Alfredo here. So we're back at GetSales, and today we're going to be discussing the integration with Clay. So what is Clay? Clay is basically, I like to think of it as a merge between Zapier in general, an automation tool, and Google Sheets. It is just a great help when it comes to data manipulation. And today we'll be seeing how you can integrate it with GetSales. Actually, we covered this in the previous video, but I'll just go more in depth with it. So basically, you can set up clay tables for pretty much any type of data source. Like here, I just give you an example. Let's go and view all enrichments. Um, there are a bunch of integrations, data sources, CSV, webhooks. There's pretty much anything possible for you to get started with the creation of your first lead database. They can also be dynamic, so you could also have like what we covered like here in this table, which was the one for Trigify. It can also be dynamic, so leads could automatically go to your get sales. But in general, you could run a bunch of enrichments. You can also filter them by checkboxes, so only if they fit a certain condition they will run. And then you could push them to get sales through the API call, through the what they call HTTP API. So you find it here, HTTP API, and then here you basically configure it just as I configured here. I will pass the templates as well. In this case here, I'm using it for filtering for like Italian people, then enriching the person through credits, and then only if they go through they're added to get sales. Be careful with using this because if the persons you're monitoring on Trigify get a lot of likes on their posts, your credits will run up fast because they basically taking one per person. Um, Now, what I wanted to say is basically that once you push it to get sales, the automation process will be the same because it's basically just adding the lead to a list. That's it. So it's just going to add your contacts to a list, and that's basically it. So then, even let's say if I had my previous campaign, um, just switch it off. But if I had my previous campaign, I could change the segment to basically going after a specific list. So let's just say that I want to do this. I want to edit, and I want to not do this one, but I want to do lists, and then I just go like Trigify, and then just apply filter. Or this could be Clay or import by API or any name you want to give it, and then you just go for it, and it will magically change so that then your segment is different. And that's basically it. It just helps you in general. You can also run some every column in Clay has a run condition, so that then you just make sure that everything is running in a super clear manner. You're always only pushing the leads that are really in target, so you can go granular and just make your outreach super tailor made. Especially if in Get Sales you're setting up the how do you call them, the multi-channel. So if you're going for email, LinkedIn, or you want to sprinkle in anything else, in that case you really want to make sure that you're filtering the right people, because that will interfere with your reply rates, with people getting angry because the messaging is not fit to them. I mean, it makes sense because if we were in their shoes we would feel the same. So kept this like really short and simple, but for me this is all, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.